So hi guys, I'm Nabeel Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. So in this video I will show you, we are going to discuss about how to draw lines in TinkerCad. So we are here in TinkerCad software, and I select this scribble, and I put here. Okay, when I put here, the surface of screen is changed, and like this, and here bottom lots of options: draw, erase, draw shape, and erase with shape. Okay, I use this draw. Okay, and I select, I draw some lines here like this, and connect it to like this. And as you can see the preview screen here, and I also create some more lines here, and as you can see preview here. If you want to done this lines, and you will click on this done, and you also resize this. Okay, like this, you also resize this, and as you can see the lines created here. So that's it, the tutorial of how to draw lines in TinkerCAD. So keep supporting, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.